Hi everyone. I wanted to share about this fantastic and highly absorbing panty that allowed me to wake up without anxiety of dirtying my bed sheet, comforter, or my bed. So I really love how this panty protects my bed sheet, comforter, and most importantly, the hardest thing to clean, which is your bed, from the leakage of blood. Okay, so this panty is really stretchable. So I have an L-sized one, but I'm actually wearing a XL size for a Uniqlo formal pants. So this panty is actually really stretchable. Okay, and the next thing is this panty doesn't give me any abrasion, and I hope it doesn't give you any abrasion as well. Um, Although I do wear it quite often, let's say I might wear it 2 days. I do wear it for 2 days straight when I'm having my heavy flow. And then I love how this high waist actually helps to pull in the tummy. And for when you're having a menses, it actually makes the tummy even more bloated. So this thing actually does help you, make it slightly smaller than your usual bloated size. And next, I love, 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 I cannot emphasize enough of this, but I love the fact that it has netting. So, I mean, the shape of this panty is in a way where it's nearly like a granny panty because it's like semi or quite high waisted. It depends on whether you're a long body or short. But this netting actually helps to make wearing this panty feel, I mean, the person wearing this panty feel empowered as well as slightly sexier. And last of all, I love how this panty feels on the exterior. You can definitely see that it's like a smoother texture and it's like silky-ish. And on the inside, you can tell that it's of a different material whereby it's in between like FBT, Singapore FBT pants is like sport-ish feeling. But the interesting thing is that, when the menstrual discharge is on the area here, it doesn't feel too cold because I've tried another brand before, and the inside is of a silky material and it feels really cold. So for this one, HighOh's one, that it doesn't make me feel like it's too cold. So the menstrual discharge will like over here after you do your business in toilet, it does feel quite comfortable still to just put it on. Yeah. So all in all, I do strongly recommend every lady to give this a try because yeah, you will never regret it. Thank you.